Welcome back, everybody. Blackstone just released brand new Smashburger accessories. Let's make Smashburgers. Smashburgers on the Blackstone Griddle.
Let's give it a try.
I'm making 3.5 ounce meatballs. I like to use 80-20 or 75-25 meatballs. We'll probably stack these up, and I think 3.5 ounces should work well. Still rocking that Blackstone 28-inch XL griddle smoker combo. If you want to know what the XL means, that this is an XL with griddle plate. So if you come in here and check this out, it is the same depth as a 36-inch griddle. So even though this is a 28, when I'm cooking on it, I feel like I'm cooking on a 36-inch griddle. When you're making smash burgers, it's fast, it's furious. So I like to have things prepped ahead of time. Diced onion ready to go. And we should just go ahead and get our buns ready as well. Picked these up the last few times I've done burgers. Really nice. Ace Bakery, beautiful brioche bun. Cut everything ahead of time and we'll be ready for later. Nothing worse than having your Smashburger patties be done and burning, and oh no, I forgot to slice my rolls and toast them. So try to get everything done early. My butter was frozen. Put it in the microwave. Now it's melted. So we're gonna spoon our butter today. Get those buns ready for toasting. A little bit of butter inside the heel and inside the crown. Always a smoking hot griddle for smash burgers. The Blackstone Smashburger press with silicone splash guard. The stainless smash burger tool, and this is what I'm pumped up about. Everybody seems to do smash burgers different. I am the kind of guy that likes to use the little square of parchment paper underneath the smasher so it doesn't stick, especially if I do a more lean smash burger like Wild Game. So this is gonna be kind of cool, and I can't wait to try it out. The silicone splash guard. Also premiering the brand new Blackstone Bronco Deluxe Toolkit. It's called the Deluxe Toolkit. They've sort of subtitled this the Bronco Toolkit, and this is why. It has that Bronco styling that sort of matches the handle on the Bronco griddles. Check it out. A matching set of spatulas, an extra wide, extra large burger spatula, a set of tongs, again, all with that Bronco handle style, a matching scraper. That's probably my favorite right there. Love that style of scraper. And a brand new extra large oil bottle. Extra virgin olive oil today. I like to use extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. And I always like to start my cooks with a coating of oil. Grab paper towels and wipe it in thinly. The key is thin across the surface of the griddle. And that's how I like to start every cook. You can see that smoking hot. I'm using my bare hands. I've been doing this a long time. It's the way I roll, but you can use tongs or heat resistant gloves. Be careful, it's a hot griddle top, probably close to 600 degrees. A little oil over here on the right. Gonna go in with my diced onions. A little strip of oil over here on the left. Down with my 3.5 ounce meatballs. Let's give that new Smashburger guard a try. Oh, it's kind of cool. There's a little target on there. This shows you where to press. I kind of like that. That's nice. And just keep smashing. Also introducing the brand new Blackstone Smashburger seasoning. I'm actually pretty pumped up about this. Blackstone has been developing that for a very long time. Move those onions around. Onions are starting to burn, so we're gonna kill that. Let's go in for a flip. Beautiful, look at that. That's what a Smashburger is supposed to look like. Really thin and crispy edges, my goodness. Most people use American cheese for smash burgers. I can do whatever I want to do. I'm going to switch it up today. I'm going to go with a slice of Colby-Jack and a slice of white cheddar. Feel free to argue in the comments down below. So onions are good to go. Gonna rake them back here in this corner and down to toast the buns, which are pre-buttered and ready to go. A big time saver. Let's check out those rolls. Ooh. I love this brand of mayo. It's really expensive, but it's good. It's only the good stuff. In with that beautiful patty stack. Check it out. Wow, look at that sizzling cheese. That cheese is insane. And the onions. Maybe a little bit of onion on top. Pickle, if you like pickle, like I do. Go down with some fresh, crunchy, refrigerated pickle. And a little mustard on top, followed by those beautiful brioche crowns. And take a look at that. I'm gonna go in there, cut this thing in two. Let's get a cross section. Beautiful looking smash burger. Let's quit wasting time. Let's give it a try. A little extra mustard on top. I'm a big topping guy. Outstanding. Love the seasoning. In fact, a lot of people commented, a lot of my colleagues commented that it tastes like pickle, and it does. When you smell it, it smells like pickle. But on the burger, you don't taste the pickle as much. It's crazy. It's a really good blend. Grab that brand new Blackstone Bronco scraper over to my griddle top. If you're new to Griddle Nation, welcome. When we say scraping a griddle, this is what we mean. It's a light skim. If you worked in restaurants on a stainless steel flat top, this is a completely different animal. We've built a seasoning here and we're simply lightly skimming it. So we're not digging in there. We're not using lemon juice or anything like that they use in restaurants. Lightly skimming our seasoned top, directing everything back into the grease cup, and we're always going to keep the burners on high. Smoking hot griddle top. Grease solidifies when it's cold, so keep it hot. It's easier to clean, and just like we did at the beginning of the video, a light coating of your cooking oil. Grab your Bounty, your paper towels, a cotton rag, whatever you want to use. Again, being careful because you can see how hot this is. Thin layer of oil down on your griddle plate. Looks absolutely beautiful. Ready for the next recipe, or it's ready to pack away. If you want to pick up the new Smashburger seasoning, the new press with the splash guard, the silicone splash guard, do it at Walmart, walmart.com. If your Walmart doesn't have it in stock, walmart.com, Walmart app, get it shipped right to your house. I almost forgot, the same thing with that brand new Bronco toolkit as well. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll get this recipe for Smashburgers up at blackstoneproducts.com. Make sure you're watching my friends on the Blackstone Network. Stay tuned. Lots more videos coming, including more new Blackstone Griddles right here on my show. Oh, it's coming soon, so you want to stay tuned. Until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass the Smashburgers.